Hello everybody, we're introducing a new series called PTE Task of the Week. Every week we'll post a brand new lesson that will help you to master all 20 of the PTE tasks. In addition, we plan to occasionally stream live classes straight from our Melbourne office direct to you on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell icon so you can catch our live streams when they happen. Or, if you want to make your life much easier, just go to e2language.com. E2Language is where everything happens. Daily live PTE classes, one-on-one tutorials, writing and speaking feedback, along with top quality practice tests and methods that you can't find anywhere else. Thanks guys, remember to click subscribe and sign up for free at e2language.com.